All right, so now that we have the mold fully ready and we have the cam, we're ready to post this for the Onsrud. This is a bit more of a process than for our other machines. So to start, we'll do exactly the same. We'll go to post. You probably won't have this post loaded, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce that in part of this video. So all of your regular posts are stored in C program files, Autodesk, HSMWorks, and Post. This might be a bit different depending on where you chose to put the program. So what you can do is in File Explorer, we can navigate there. So we'll go to C Program Files, Autodesk, HSMWorks, and then where are we at? Posts. So when you go to copy this, well, I already have it there. So I'm going to hit Replace. It's going to ask you for permission because this is one of those locked folders. Tell it OK. Let it load. Hop back here, close out a post. We'll open it back up. And now we should have Onsrud is one of them listed. Yep, so Onsrud 5X router. We were able to keep all of our settings here. We'll let them be. And for the Onsrud, we can name with both names and numbers. I'm going to stick with numbers because it's what we do up here. I'm going to label this as wing 4 element 3 lower. So I'm going to drop this on my desktop just for purposes of it being a learning one, and we're going to open it and it's going to look like this. So there's a couple things we need to edit in our post. So the first thing I'm going to do is I can either grab it from the OneNote, we've got it copy pasted here, or I could go in and look in something like our ARC folder. I could grab some old G code and I can see where I've got it copied up here. So I'm going to copy from 77 and 120. So what I'm going to do in here is I'm going to replace this whole top header section. That's all the way from the G70 to the Z Park. I'm replace that with our new code. The second thing I'm going to do in here is I'm going to delete every line that has a UIO or a TCP. So these are things that we use with the 5-axis. And we won't be needing them for what we're doing. So they will appear at the start and the end of every operation. If you forget one of them, the machine will stop at that step and will not complete the program. So it's not a mistake that's non-recoverable. It's going to slow you down and it's not going to be nice and put the tool up at the end and all. So with that done, Control S, we'll let it save. These programs do get exceedingly large, so they may take a minute to save. Now we're ready to take this copy, save as, and then we'll get ready to stick it on the machine. And that should be it for posting for the 5-axis.